Michael.
I'm Michael. Hi, Chao.
Risa. Risa.
Risa.
Yeah, Michael, can you tell us about yourself? I am here in Vienna with Michael, and he's tell me.
Yeah, I'm the founder of Prem Frischkaffee, a roastery based in Vienna. We are roasting specialty coffee from chocolatey blends to very fruity coffees like from Kenya or Ethiopia. And I was Austrian barista champion in 2017.
Wow.
Now I've just placed third at the roasting competition. Last year I was second, so I really like to compete and helps me to get better every day.
Yes. Where's your roastery?
My roastery is based in Simmering. It's in Vienna, close to the airport.
Okay, yeah. I hope I can visit that one day.
Yeah, it's beautiful. We're roasting on a Greek roaster, 50 kilos,
Okay.
15 kilos.
15 kilos.
You know.
And how often do you come to fairs
This market,
like this?
it's called Organic and Specialty Market.
Okay.
It's every Saturday.
Okay.
And all the producers here are very unique. For example, my colleague, she has great products from Italy, very special stuff. Here we have organic fish, or this is a farmer, a sheep farmer. He has fresh meat and all products from the countryside.
Okay, tell me what's so special about Vienna coffee?
Well, in Vienna we have a great coffee house culture. So Vienna coffee culture is really based on the building.
On the
coffee itself in the traditional houses is not so special in my opinion,
Right.
but the atmosphere is.
Okay.
So we also have very modern coffee shops that are focused on coffee quality.
Right.
But the traditional houses, it's more about the house and the service and
Oh,
the
okay.
newspaper and all the stuff around.
Right. So, but you don't think the coffee is that great?
In the
Except your
traditional
own.
houses, it's
Yeah.
not that great. If you
Oh,
go to a
yeah, yeah.
specialty coffee shop, you will find excellent coffee, but not if you go to traditional Viennese coffee.
Right. I know that's exactly what I found. But
Yeah.
I'm enjoying my stay here so
Yeah,
far. And
cool.
Michael, thank you so
Yeah.
much for my latte. Should I give it a try?
Give it a try.
Okay, give it a try. And what blend is this one?
This is a brownie blend.
Brownie.
It's an Arabica blend from Ecuador, Honduras, and Brazil.
Wow. It tastes very, very special, but I wish I could have a brownie with this as well. Thank you very
Yeah,
much,
it's so
Michael.
good. Thank
I'll
you.
see you again, hopefully.
Enjoy your stay.
Yes, thank you.